Summer's here, lovely! Yay! Now it's time to grab your sunglasses and shorts and get ready to soak up some sun. But we need to get your planner ready too, yeah? So my name is Lady and I help lovely women like you stay organized through planning. In this video, I'll show you how I dressed my planner up for summer. And when you're done using the beautiful summer fun kit from the limited edition Explore collection, you'll just want to kick back, put your toes in some sand and grab a fruity drink and just escape to a tropical paradise. So let's get started.
Okay, lovely, let's get started. We're going to start with the green headers from the kit, and I like to align the today section at the very top of the planner so that it kind of just starts the day off. This is what needs to be done for today. And the first full box that I'll place down is the 3 sunglass full box, and that is actually a pair of sunglasses that I do own that I photoshopped for this kit to make it look super cute. And this bikini here, I also own that and took a photo of it and photographed it to make it super cute for this kit as well. So that's where the custom art from this kit comes in. I put the wrong headers down, so I'm switching them out and putting the right ones. And now are the green gem headers. These are really fun. They're very similar to glitter headers, but I wanted to place them in the middle to give the planner spread a different look. And now we are placing the check boxes down. I try to match them up as close as possible to the full boxes on top of them so that the design flows throughout the length of the planner. And next is the little section. In this section is where I like to place things like meal planning or exercises or things that I need to do for the business, such as send an email out to the lovelies or post in the VIP Facebook group. You'll find link to those in the description box if you do want to join the wonderful community of lovelies that I've just been having so much fun getting to know. And next I'm placing some quarter boxes with some icons next to them. It's really nice. I've found it really fun to put icons next to my quarter boxes and half boxes. And then at the very bottom of the planner I put a really gorgeous strip of palm leaf washi. I really can't get enough of it. And flipping the planner over, we're going to repeat the same thing on this side by first placing the today headers all on the top, and then next we will use I'm looking over at the other side to see how I planned over there to make it look nice, using the full boxes. And again, such beautiful patterns and designs. Putting all that on there, and I messed up, sorry you can't see that part, but I had to lift it up and put it back. That's the beauty of using removable sticker paper. When you need to remove your stickers, just peel it up slowly and it's super easy to do so. It doesn't mess up your planner or your stickers. And then putting that middle row of gem headers, following that up with the check boxes. I love check boxes. And next are the little stickers. Just like the other side, so that everything matches, and I'll go through and place the meal stickers again. And once I'm done with that, we're gonna have the bottom lushy. It's like a party in your planner. It just pulls everything together. I absolutely love it. And now I'm working on the goals section. Oh, apparently not anymore. I took the flag and marked payday because paydays are super important. Gotta mark that day that you get paid. And using a fun little label down at the bottom of Saturday, putting a weekend banner on top of that. And these Polaroid photos are photos from actual vacations that I've taken with some of my besties and family. So you really get a vacation in your planner. You can almost feel the sand in your toes when looking at this planner. It's just so much fun. And so placing different labels and script text that say laundry, trash, and just putting different labels. Sunday, you gotta plan a time to plan, so you can see that plan label over there, and then closing it all up, you get to see the Beach Babe planner cover that goes along with the kit.
If you like the stickers that I used in this Plan With Me video, make sure to like and subscribe, and you can get a 20% off coupon by going to ladymora.com/20 and claim it right now. The link will be in the description box below.